Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. Here in this video I would like to share you how if you want to draw a shape in the Microsoft Word document but you only need to click at once, then the pointer you can use to draw the same shape all the times. Yeah, so many times I mean. Okay, here normally you draw a shape like this. Okay, you go to insert, then you click shape, then you can choose any shape that you want to put in your document. Here I will choose this one. Okay, look at this. Yeah, I finished. I only can draw one shape in one click. Okay, after I draw, then the pointer is already changed and then I'm ready to type again. Yeah, that means I cannot use the pointer to draw the same shape anymore. But right now I'm gonna show you how if you want to draw the some shape, the same shape, then you only need to click at one time. Okay, you can go to insert and then click in shape, and then you can choose any shape that you want. Okay, I'm choosing this. Okay, sorry, I choose this. One thing you should notice that if you want to draw more than one same shape at the same times, you need to click here, right click. Okay, you need to click right click and then lock drawing mode. Then you can draw the shape that you want. Look at the pointer, it doesn't change, which means that you can draw again without having to click the insert anymore. Okay, draw the same shape, you only need one time to click, then you can draw the same shape again and again. Okay, if you want to stop this function, you can press escape on the keyboard, or you can do a right click. Now the function of the pointer change. Okay, that's all my video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment and like. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.